Hello everyone, I'm Pepper580 and welcome to a new episode of Plus Plus Adventures. Last time I explained how to get a really quick basic setup and started with a hello world, making reference to the first video I ever uploaded to YouTube. Now, this time I'm going to explain a little bit about these things called variables and these things called variables and how to make arithmetic operations. So it's pretty simple stuff. Now, as you can see, I got a finished program over here, and let me explain this really quick. This first part over here, all that we have here in Sublime, the first 4 lines is pretty much the standard thing that we're gonna have, almost 5 lines. First, include IO stream is something we're gonna get every single time. Then a comment. I'm gonna try to make it a habit of me to make a comment on the program to explain what the program will do, and then using namespace std so that your commands are actually recognized without having to place std colon and then the command that you want to use. Int main starts off the program, and then you open up with a key, and then you can start programming. So as you can see, this is the basic code that you will want to use in order to get these results right over here. Now, really quick, there's a very specific thing that you have to learn. That int that is to the side of A and B is called an integer, and that's an integer variable. The values that you give those integer variables have to be integer numbers. Apart from that, there is also another type of variable called character, which will be given in between a single quotation. After explaining all that, let us just jump right into the code. I don't want this to go for way too long. It's been already almost 2 minutes. So, of course, as you can see here, I have the include IO stream. The description of the program is going to be to replicate the results of math try 1, which is the other one I have over here, using namespace std so the commands are recognized. And then we start with our main program. So what's gonna be? We're gonna have one variable, integer variable, and we're gonna call it first number. To make it less confusing, you have to always end off on a semicolon. Don't forget that. Then we're gonna get int second number, like that, and we're gonna do something kind of cool. We're gonna see out. We're gonna have the program say something like this: give me a first number. We're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna go string it to an endl. That way it's gonna ask for it in a separate line, and then you're gonna go cin. Now this one goes backwards because we are going to make the values that are input go to the variable instead of having the variable go out. So we're gonna go cin, and we're gonna write first number right over there. First number. Finish that. And then we're gonna go cout again. Give me a second number. Okay. Then we're gonna finish off the string with an endl so that it looks nice. And cin again, but this time second number. There we go. After doing that same thing, now we can cout. And this is easy. Just the sum is. And so we're gonna add something. So of course, then we're gonna string, and we're gonna have first number plus, and we're excuse me, I get a little bit lost around these. There we go, plus second number. Then we're gonna string another one, endl. Semicolon. Remember the semicolons. Cout, and then we're gonna go subtraction, and so on and so on. And there you go. Once you have all this, now let me explain this real quick. If you want to get the residue for a division or for the quotient of something, you have to place this symbol over here, the percentage symbol, and that's what's going to give it to you. After that, you're pretty much done with the code, so we can save it. Now, another observation here, real quick. When you want to subtract 2 variables, and you have multiple letters giving the name to a variable, you have to separate them with a space, or else it will confuse it with a separate thing. Now, we're gonna save this. There we go. Yes, we're gonna replace that .ccp so that it saves us the format, and then we're gonna go. I'm already on the directory. Math second one .cpp. and there's no error, so we're gonna go and do point slash dot slash a dot out once more, and there you go. A first number, and we're gonna go something really simple. We're gonna go 10, and the second number is gonna be 5. And there you go, the sum is 15, the subtraction is 5, the product is 50, the quotient is 2, and the residue for that quotient is 0. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. I'm sorry for the cut. If you wanted to see me write it, well, there's no real complication. So that's it. So thank you guys so very much for watching this quick tutorial on how to do our basic arithmetic operations on C++ using Sublime as a text editor and your terminal. And that's it. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to the channel. Share this with your friends. Share it with anyone that wants to learn C++ programming. And I will see you guys next time for something a little teensy tiny bit more complicated on how to convert some Celsius to Fahrenheit and something like that. I'll see you guys then.